Hi there, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, greetings, and please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below for tips and tricks in all my delicious recipes. Guys, if you're already here, thank you so much for your support. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make the most crispy, delicious fried salmon with spicy, creamy garlic butter sauce. This is an absolute must-try, guys. So if you're ready, let's get started. So this is my salmon that I'll be using, skinless, and these are the rest of my ingredients, and they will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. Now to my breadcrumbs, I'll be adding some fresh Parmesan cheese. I'll mix together, make sure everything is nice and combined. And to this mixture, you also add some ranch seasoning and set that aside. Now to my flour, I'll be adding some corn starch. Then I'll mix my garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, my smoked paprika, some black pepper, and some Old Bay seasoning. Give that a quick stir. Now to season our flour, we'll take half of that dry rub and mix it into that flour. Make sure it is nice and seasoned and everything is well combined. So that looks good, and we'll go ahead and set that aside. Now for our egg mixture, I have 2 eggs. I'll be using Old Bay hot sauce and some buttermilk. We'll whisk that together, make sure everything is nice and combined. Looks good, and we'll set that aside also. That is our ranch seasoning I mentioned earlier. That gives it extra flavor, guys. So here you will cut your salmon to your desired thickness. So half of that, the dry rub we made earlier, we would use that to season our fish. Make sure every piece of that salmon is well coated with that seasoning. Now we will flour the fish and set aside. We will repeat this process until all is evenly coated with the flour. Now we will shake all the excess flour off of the salmon and place that on a rock. Now we will take that salmon, coat it in the egg wash, and then into the breadcrumb mixture. Make sure every area of that fish is coated nicely, and we let that to sit for a few minutes. We'll repeat this process until all is nice and coated. Salmon is a very delicate fish, and it is so flavorful, and we'll set that aside. Look at that, guys, well seasoned, looks amazing already. Now guys, make sure our oil is about 350. You'll adjust it as you cook because you do not want your heat to be on high. Trust me, keep testing your temperature and keep it on really low heat. And that is our crispy fried salmon. Super delicious. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I would really encourage you to try this recipe and let me know how yours turn out in the comment section. Again, if you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you're already here, thank you so much for watching. That is our salmon, super delicious and flaky inside. The crust is so crusty and crunchy and crispy. Just enjoy.